The following is the Shower Miser installation guide for boats and RVs. Let's take a moment to explain what we're doing. Normally, the pipes in the motorhome or the boat are filled with cold water. When you want to take a shower, that fresh, clean water flows from the water pump out of the water tank, up through the shower head, and then down the drain. What the Shower Miser unit does, shown here in blue, is takes that water through a special patent-pending tube, as shown in the inner circle, and we'll discuss more about that tube later, and redirects the water back to the non-pressurized side of the water system, either directly back into the water tank or to the input side of the water pump, or anywhere in between on the non-pressurized side of the water system. Notice, two requirements to install the Shower Miser. One, you must be able to make connections to the non-pressurized side of the water system. And two, you must be able to get to the inside wall behind your shower where the plumbing is located. Please contact your local dealer for installation assistance. There's going to be some tools and items you need to accomplish the installation process. First, you're going to need a power drill. Second, a 13/16" drill bit. Do not use a 7/8" drill bit, as it is too large. A crayon or erasable marker, Teflon tape, pipe dope, or liquid Teflon or any other material used for sealing pipe fittings together in a watertight setting, silicone caulk or sealant, a soft white cloth, and a pair of channel locks. The Shower Miser kit includes the special Shower Miser tube, a solid brass two-way diverter, a diverter washer, an all-pipe thread 2.5 inches long, 1/2 inch in diameter, a 1/2 inch lock nut washer, and a 1/2 inch lock nut. Items not included in the kit. First, let me explain why they're not included. Due to the various sizes of trailers, motorhomes, boats, yachts, etc., there's no way to predetermine the actual amount of PEX pipe needed to make it from the shower head or sink back to the non-pressurized input point of the water system. Therefore, you will need to contact your local dealer for these additional parts. The parts again are 1/2 inch PEX pipe, a 1/2 inch female thread fitting that will attach to the 1/2 inch PEX pipe and thread onto a male 1/2 inch threaded pipe, and the additional fittings that you will need for the other end of the PEX pipe, depending upon where you're connecting to the non-pressurized side of the water system. So, step 1. Shower Miser connects anywhere on the non-pressurized side of the freshwater system, like the freshwater tank or the input to the water pump, and anywhere in between. Find that location. Also note the water tank may need to be emptied to complete this process. Step 2. Gain access to the back of the shower unit where your plumbing is installed. Again, contact your local dealer for installation assistance regarding this process. It will be easier on some RVs and boats and more difficult on others. Step 3. Determine the length of the PEX pipe needed to go from the shower head to your connection point on the non-pressurized side of the water system. Get that amount of pipe needed and the proper fittings to complete the connections when finished. Your local dealer should have these items in stock. Step 4. Locate the input point where the water comes into the shower. Note the circles below as some examples. Step 5. Remove the shower head or shower hose from the water input pipe, as shown in the pictures below. Step 6. Attach the Shower Miser unit to the water input pipe. Note, for left or right installs, the diverter lever, as shown in this red circle, may need to be repositioned. To reposition the lever on the Shower Miser for the left or right side, depending upon your installation requirements, on the lever itself there is a small solid brass post, as shown by the arrow below. simply unscrew that post, and beneath the post you will see an Allen screw. There is no need to remove the Allen screw. It is simply removed in this drawing to illustrate that it exists. Use a small Allen wrench, loosen the Allen screw, and remove the lever. Rotate as necessary, tighten the Allen screw, and rescrew the post back onto the lever. With the shower miser in place, place it against the wall where you're going to be drilling a hole. Using the crayon or erasable marker, make a circle around the elbow as shown in the pictures. This is so you can locate a center point for drilling the hole. Once you have the point located, remove the shower miser unit. Use the 3/16 bit in your drill and drill a hole through the shower wall, stopping once you've cleared the inside shower wall. Be careful not to drill all the way through to the other side. Applying Teflon tape, pipe dope, or similar materials, put a water seal on the all pipe thread and attach it to the 90-degree elbow of the shower miser unit. Place the all pipe thread piece through the shower wall to the back of the shower unit. Then secure it first with the washer, which is black rubber washer, and then the lock nut. Tighten it down snugly, do not over tighten. After that, make sure that Teflon tape's been applied, and apply the PEX pipe fitting with the 1/2 inch female fitting securely to the all pipe thread. Reattach the shower miser unit to the water input pipe, and again use Teflon tape to make sure the watertight seal. Also, there's a small rubber washer that comes with your 3-way diverter. Be sure to install that or you will get leaks when you turn the shower on. Reattach the shower hose to the bottom or the shower head to the bottom of the 2-way diverter. Step 14. Add a bead of silicone caulking around the base of the elbow that is against the shower wall to make a watertight seal. Step 15. Connect the other side of the PEX pipe to the non-pressurized side of the water system you have previously located. Step 16. Testing the system. Turn the shower miser lever to the bypass or closed position. Turn the hot water valve to full. If the shower miser lever is in the correct position, no water will come out of the shower head. If water does come out of the shower head, simply reverse the lever to the alternate position. At this point, keep your eye on the blue portion of the shower miser unit, shown here in the red circle. As the cold water passes through the shower miser unit, the tube will remain blue. Once the hot water has arrived, within 4 seconds after its arrival, the tube will start to pinstripe blue and white as you see here, which means even colorblind people can see it. As the hot water continues through, it will turn completely white. Operating the system. Once the shower miser unit has turned pinstripe or white, simply turn the lever from the closed position to the open position to have hot water start to flow. Caution: water will be hot. To avoid being burned, adjust the hot and cold water mixture before turning the lever back to the shower head. This concludes our installation guide for the shower miser unit for boats or RVs. We thank you for watching this presentation. If you have any questions or need technical support, please contact Aquaview at the number below or contact your local dealer for assistance. Aquaview, results you can see.